You see them watering plants, preparing test tubes. Some even cook food for us. So, who are these people who in their own quiet way make our lives so much more convenient and pleasant to work in? Our EAS staff are our everyday heroes. Not only do they save us from our paperwork, they hear our cries of help and throw us a lifeline. And so, now we would like to say thank you.
Uncle Mazlan! Okay. Anyway, Uncle Mazlan, thank you so much for everything you have done for us. The most important thing I really want to thank you for is that every morning at 7 AM, while you are watering the plant, thank you for always smiling and saying good morning, because even though it might be very small, it's a great way for us to start the day.
Uncle 海山，我要谢谢你，谢谢你的这份责任感，就是因为有了这份责任感，每天早上你都会帮我们 open up 这些 special rooms。Because special rooms 是由 special 的人，就是你所开的。特别的爱给特别的你，我们的 special rooms 逃不过你的眼睛。特别的爱给特别的你，我们的 special rooms 都因为有你。阿秋，我今天想要感谢你。谢谢你，你其实有一份很神圣的任务，那个任务就是厕所纸。你看，你的任务有多么的神圣，每天早上，也有可能每1分钟，都有许多的老师们、学生们上厕所，他们都需要厕所纸。如此可见，你的任务有多么的神圣，就是因为有你，义安中学会有很多的厕所纸。
Uncle Yap 真的是非常感谢你，每次都是关心我们。你每次一看到我们，你就会问：吃饱了吗？课完了吗？虽然对你来说，可能这些问题就是很普通的。但是对我们来说是非常特别的，非常重要的，因为我们会觉得你的关怀，还有会给我们记得身体是最重要的，所以要吃多一点。
More recently, the SS card incident, I think what really stuck with me was the fact that when I handed you my SS card, you actually, like me, you said that you really like nice people, and I think it takes one to know one, and I'm sure you have been a very nice person to work with, for which I'm really grateful that you take care of the people under your charge, and in making sure that the school is run quite efficiently. Thanks a lot, Mr. Ong, on behalf of all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank I think OM for every time all our last minute requests to use certain venues and so on and so forth. They've always been very supportive, and I really appreciate that.
Bevee, I need 42 more test tubes. Kiang, where are my long meter rulers?
Zubaidah, where's the essay?
Bevee, I need biscuit tubing.
Before you even ask all these things, they have already prepared all these things for you.
So efficient!
The Mother Tongue Department would like to show our appreciation to Madam Mariam for helping us out a lot last year during our Mother Tongue reading program. She actually took a lot of effort to help us sort the books and pack the books into boxes.
Some of you may not know this, but there are 3 people who work together as a team to maintain all the ICT technology devices in the school. Mr. So Chung joined our school not too long ago. He has a huge role to play in ensuring that all the computers in the comm labs are well kept, all the software is up to date.
As upper site assistant year head, actually sometimes I have to organize talks by the alumni and also parents, like the secretary breakfast meeting, and there are times where I need IT setup. And the first person that comes to mind will always be Luffy because he's very reliable.
Mr. Ken Fong is the ICT executive of the school. His bigger role is also to help with the overall ICT structure of the school. So, thank you very much for your help.
Hello Shirley, thank you very much for coming into school early to settle the relief staff.
For me, my experience with working with Shirley, she's like my second pair of hands. I do not need to worry. In the morning, everything is done properly.
That POA magnetic thing, that paper that was laminated, so all the lamination work was done by her. So thank you very much Shirley for helping us.
Hi, our colleagues from the GO. We are the bunch of very difficult people, but we want to accord our sincere thanks to you all helping us out whenever we have last minute requests, and most importantly helping us highlight the things that we have overlooked.
So specifically, maybe people like to really say thank you include like Eileen. For every time she makes a phone call, she picks up a phone call, she makes the effort to go and find out a bit more about the concern of the parent.
We really appreciate Madam Ramni's support in ensuring that all the attendance has been taken every morning.
Okay, I'd like to thank Madam Salbiaya. She is very prompt in her assistance and also very systematic in her filing. So whenever I need information regarding the students, I know where to get. And also to thank Agnes because she helped me to, basically she reminded me of things I overlooked and she gave me good advice. Thank you so much.
And I would like to thank Sharon for helping us with all the procurement matters, ITQ and preparation of EduSave forms, for dining in, prom and a lot of other enrichment programs despite like some last minute requests. So thank you very much.
1, 2, 3.
We would like to thank Chung for ensuring that we are always aligned to MOE procurement procedures.
Hi Heng, thanks for always taking very nice photos for us. You really truly exemplify what it means to go beyond the call of duty. It's really not your job scope to take photos for all our events, but you're always there with your trusty camera to make sure that the photos come out nicely and to ensure we get it through SkyDrive. Yeah, so thank you very much for all your hard work and for being so kind to all of us.
And I want to thank Heng for being always so resourceful and being sharing her wealth of knowledge. She's like Google. Sometimes when I need to know some information, I'll go to her. And well, I will get the answer. Thank you, Binte.
We love you.
We love you.
Thanks to Mr. Zainal for working with us teachers in the Design and Technology unit. And Mr. Zainal has contributed in many ways, not only towards D&T but also towards the Green Movement Committee. Mr. Zainal has worked for us many years and many times he stayed beyond his normal working hours.
Hi Lisa, thank you so much for helping us to print our notes. Even though we're supposed to give them 3 days in advance, but even if it's last minute, you're very friendly and happily helping us to do it. So students, if you want to know where your notes come from, it's coming from this lady, Miss Lisa. Thank you.
3 days. Lisa?
Okay.
Sorry to trouble you. I kind of need this urgently for my next period. I know, but I have to give it to you 3 days in advance, but I need it like in the next half an hour's time. Do you think it's possible that...
Okay.
Thank you, Lisa! Thank you, Lisa! You're the best! Thank you! Thank you, Lisa!
Give me an S! S! Give me an A! A! Give me an M! M! Who's that? Sam! Who's that? Sam! Who's that? Sam! You are the champ!
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our EAS for their dedication and the support they show to teachers, as well as the care they show to students. You truly are the unsung heroes of Ngee Ann. Happy EAS Day.
We really appreciate all the hard work, that you have rendered to all our stakeholders at the school, students, parents, teachers,
and was in the general office. Thank you very much. We hope that we can continue to work together as a great team and as a great EAN family.
I would like to express my appreciation to all our administrative and support staff for making work in EAN for the teachers and EAS. Thank you very much for your many years of dedicated service. Thanks goes out to our clerical support staff in the general office, including our admin managers, our OM, for ensuring that the finance and HR work in the school is well taken care of. And also the OSOs, you are really the heroes of the school. You are the first to arrive and the last to leave, making sure that all the logistics in the school are taken care of. Thank you very much. Not to forget the science lab and D&T lab technicians. You are a great help to our teachers, making sure that lessons and resources are prepared and making sure that lessons are run smoothly. So thank you very much. And also the ICT support staff, ensuring that all our ICT lessons are well taken care of. You and all of you really ensure that EAN every day runs smoothly. So thank you very much.